There's nothing more satisfying than that sound and feeling. Honestly, all my short hair girlies know.
Hey guys, I don't know what to say. I tried this through Instagram. Lauren Oakley. You could help me by tagging her down below. Who knows, I'll get her in the chair. It's happening. Lauren is here.
I'm here.
She danced like crazy last night.
Last night,
watched it live in my hotel room.
You did say you were going to dance if I came to get my hair cut.
You remember?
Yeah.
Can dance. But if this works out, I'll do one. Then.
So we'll dance after.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hey.
I saw you did a video with 2 barber chairs and a dance.
Exactly.
It was meant to be.
You have to recreate it. You don't know how much strength it took for me to not get it cut for you.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'm actually super lucky then.
Yeah. I even went on television last night with it this long for you.
I really, really appreciate it.
What is the size of the guard?
This is the number 1. No, just kidding. 5.
There's nothing more satisfying than that sound and feeling. Honestly, all my short hair girlies know. That feeling.
The aggravation of the days before.
Honestly.
Now, what was the thing with the earrings?
Earrings. So when I got my hair cut short, this was like 10 years ago I first had this cut. And it took me a while to like understand my style, because it really changes your style, your clothes, your personality. Not that I care much about clothes anyway, but I was like, oh, like I need to understand how I want to dress now and whatever. One thing that I felt really made me feel like myself was wearing the hoops, because I feel like, bear with me, I feel like, you know, like other earrings can look a bit like older or like mumsy.
Yeah.
Mums are amazing. I love mums, but
you can look mumsy.
Yeah, I was like, it was 10 years ago. I was like 23, 24. So I felt like the hoops kind of just like edged it up a little bit. So now I've always got. I just kicked the tripod. Sorry. I was just excited. I've been dying for a haircut.
Don't you guys forget to hit subscribe, thumbs up, everything all YouTubers say.
I always get so surprised as well about how much comes off.
Yeah. It always amazes me as well.
So do you know who normally cuts my hair?
No?
My mum.
Oh, really?
She was a hairdresser in her 20s. And I really like it because she knows me and she knows what I like. And yeah.
Is she jealous then now?
No.
Upset?
No.
Okay, sorry, Mom, I don't want to upset you. Here, this is actually what comes off.
Amazing.
Now I have to watch the show next week again and then brag.
You're
all
invested
day, like,
now.
Hey, see?
For the haircut, but also because you're so invested in our partnership and how well we're doing. And we have that Netherlands connection.
Now, well, I found that Bruno Mars dance.
Yes.
And it was incredible.
Like you say, it was in a barbershop, which is cool.
But, you know, we talked about this several times, so I'll link it down below here. Everybody wants to see it. You danced backwards while walking backwards.
I mean, that's what we do.
For you, it's normal.
Yeah.
Where's my guard? Yeah.
Yeah, please don't forget that.
That never happened. Let's knock on wood.
Yeah, can I do that too?
Yeah. This is a 4, but I'm just going to use it around the edges.
I trust you.
So it's so cool that you saved your hair for me though.
You're welcome.
Yeah, but people with long hair don't understand how big that sacrifice is.
Honestly, they will never know. And the way it changes your mood as soon as you've had a cut, you feel so new and fresh and beautiful. Honestly, I really love having short hair. It's been over 10 years now. Some ladies have messaged me to say, you know, you inspired me to get a shortcut, and they've gone and got a shortcut and found the confidence to do it and love it. And then also some ladies have messaged that, you know, have lost their hair for different reasons. And then it makes them feel more confident that there's like, you know, more and more girls in the public.
Doing that.
Yeah. Because, you know, beauty standards are crazy. You don't have to look the same to be beautiful. You can look how you want to look and still be beautiful.
But you're in a world where beauty standards make up a huge part of your day.
Yeah. And that's why I really like having short hair, because I'm
That's
like,
badass.
I'm doing it for all the short hair girlies. Can I just say I already love it?
Yeah, you can.
I already love it.
We're not finished yet. I keep these slightly longer and softer as well.
Thank you,
so
yeah, I
it's
like
more
it.
playful. And
Yeah.
so this has to go.
Yes, please. I like that word, playful. That's cute.
Yeah, you can just fiddle around with it a little.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Do you know what's funny? Sometimes when I style it, some people style it forwards and I don't like it.
I hate that.
I'd like it cute and backwards, but there's something about it forwards that I don't like. I don't know why. Maybe one day we can do it where I just go, do what you want.
Then I'll come back.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a deal.
Okay.
Have you ever visited the Netherlands?
I have actually, when I was in school.
That's
For
a good
hockey.
reason to do it again. So your mom cuts your hair. Mm-hmm. That's cool.
I really like it when she does it. Also because she knows me and she knows my personality. I know her, so I can say, "Oh, can you just do this?" Because I'm quite shy as a person. Like I don't like asking for what
Really?
I want. Yeah, no, I'm not.
You don't come across shy.
That's because I dance on the telly, but that's my job. Do you know what I mean? I don't see that as me. I see that as my job. You know, we go into hair and makeup at like 8 in the morning, and the show's on at 6 at night. It's crazy.
Yeah, because the TV show airs live. Like that's actually happening now.
Yeah. It's fun
touch
though.
that forward a little?
It's all good fun.
Sweet.
Good. You happy?
Definitely.
Oh, the scissors. It's my favourite bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I always prefer clippers over scissors.
More just for like the sound. I don't know, there's something so satisfying.
Just that.
Yeah. And you know that something good is coming. Look at this, look at this.
Yeah, just even the tips being cut off is enough to get that satisfying feeling.
Yeah, I can't explain it. It's like nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, you know, on a really, 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 really hot day, and you just want a really cold can of Coca-Cola, and you listen to the sound of it opening, and it makes you go, it's a little bit like that. Or if you've been holding in a wee for really long, and then you go for a wee.
It's true as well.
Very similar.
Those are the ones I have to sit down for and then go, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't really know because I never really stand up.
No?
No.
Oh.
Believe it or not.
Why not?
Just curling up. In the summer, it gets really curly. You thought I looked like a mushroom.
Yeah. I saw you last night and thought it's horrible. No.
You were like, there's a mushroom doing a quick step.
I think the two of us were the only ones thinking she really needs it. Nobody else sees that.
No, it's true. Which is good because it means that people are being entertained by the dance itself. I have to admit, and I'm ashamed to admit this in front of you, but I have been known to like trim bits myself because I've been that desperate.
Yeah, but you've got a little wavy curly hair, so it's not that big of a deal.
You can't see.
You can't really mess it up
Yeah.
too badly.
You know, just like around my ears, or if the front bit's gotten too long and it's like just trim the ends of that.
But if I would be on national television, I would be too scared to
Really,
trim my
that's-
own
you know,
hair.
that's one-
Like, what if I mess up?
That's one thing about me. I'm quite relaxed about my hair. Maybe because I know it always grows. It always grows.
That's what hair does. It's my business
Yeah.
model.
Clever. Did you come up with that yourself?
No, there were people before me.
Oh, really? Do you love
Have a
it?
little wave here.
What,
If I love it,
Yeah. Do you love it? Love it.
not yet.
Do you know when it was long, I found it so thin, and then now it's short. It feels like I have a lot.
Yeah, It's quite heavy on top.
Yeah, but when it was long, I used to have it like about down to here, right? But the ends were like so thin, and even my ponytail wasn't like a thick ponytail.
Yeah.
But I don't know why it is that when I've got short hair, it went so thin and I didn't like it that I cut it to here.
Yeah.
And it didn't suit me at all. It just didn't suit me. So then I just thought, you know what? Let's just cut it all off.
So cool.
And I never looked back. And I still get comments, people saying, would you ever grow your hair long? Or when are you going to grow it long? And I'm like, I'm not. And somebody said to me the other day, like, why don't you grow your hair long? And I just said, because I don't want to. Sometimes when I wear a wig in the show, people say to me, oh, you look so good with long hair, thinking that they're complimenting me. And I don't find it a compliment.
It's not a compliment.
No.
Get rid of all those loose hairs.
I cheated a little bit on these bangs. I made them slightly more straight instead of point shaped.
Pointed.
That's what they were.
Yeah.
I think they grew in that point.
They grew that way, yeah.
Yeah, and now it looks good, like across
It's
your
more
forehead as
evenly
well.
spread, yeah.
If you wear it like this.
Yeah, cute.
And all the partings and cowlicks are closed off, so they can play around with that as well.
I love
Wear it
that.
any way you want.
That's so nice.
So it looks incredible.
I love it.
There was just one.
One bit that was bugging
Yeah.
me. Perfectionist.
It's grooming cream actually.
Okay.
It's for curly hair. You can see it, the dog has it.
Yay.
It's a Dutch brand.
Okay.
So if you pronounce it right, you're a winner.
No, I'm too shy. I'm too shy to
Really?
do that, yeah.
Always try that with clients that don't speak Dutch.
Gladjakkers.
Hey,
Did I do it right?
klapjakkers.
Gladjakkers.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
No, not at all.
And I was shy, but I did it anyway. That's a lesson. Even if you're shy, you got to do it anyway. Like dancing.
So this is a cream, and it has fibers in it. See them flying?
Yeah.
Which gives your hair a little bit more body and sturdiness.
And it smells amazing.
Really?
Smell, yeah.
I can't smell.
Why?
Not at all.
Ever?
So I'm smelly handicapped.
No.
The scary part is starting now.
Why?
What? I'm done with the haircut.
The dancing. I love the haircut. I love it. I like how that product sits on my hair as well. It's really nice.
Not for sale, sorry.
Over here. Like we said, it means I have to come
ship
to
it
you.
to you
I
personally.
need to come to you
Yeah, that's the deal, yeah.
when I've got a month of no performing. Good catch.
Quick reflex.
Good catch. That
It's
bodes
all
well
because
for
of my
dancing.
dancing skills.
There you go. The satisfaction you get. It's so nice. And it kept its little wave at the back as well. Thank you. I can see the shape of my head again. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. There we go. One more time.
Beautiful.
Now without a cape it looks even better.
I love it. I feel like me again,
Yeah.
but better.
Alright guys, that's it.
That's not it.
That's it.
We had an agreement.
No.
You have to dance. I let you cut my hair and you have to dance. Are you ready?
No.
Are we doing it here?
No.
Are we doing it outside?
No.
We're doing it. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Keep that leg straight.
Yeah, this one's
and
straight.
bend that one.
Bend this one.
And then that's it. So the hip goes this way. Da, 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 da. Right? Keep doing that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm. Good.
Hey.
You're going to jump into a squat. And the arms are going to go point 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. I put my hands up on my hip. Then we da, 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 da. 4. Do you want to come past? Yeah?
Stop. If
So,
you pass, you have to do this as
actually,
well.
if you stay slightly back, you can kind of copy me.
Oh, you can
see?
yeah.
4. So on the 1, 2, and 3, 4, we're not going to go down. We're going to go up, 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 up. So the points go up. Ready? On all 4 of them. Last one, and then we're going to try it to music. Then we do it together, hands up on my hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You picked that up really quickly.
It's insane. You saw this video once 2 seconds.
It's my job. It's my job. Now you go and 1 together.